Hello, everyone. Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So, welcome to Creative Play with Faye and Shanta. So, now this is a new year for us, and well, for everyone. So, we decided to change things up. So, instead of using our machines, we just open it up so that we can create whatever as long as we create something. Because for myself, I noticed that almost all my projects that we did together, I almost always use the Cricut. I don't think I used a silhouette or anything, maybe one time. But anyway, so that is what we're gonna do. What we have decided to do so far, this year is just open it up so we can just make whatever and use um whatever crafted supplies that we own. Alrighty. All right, everybody, we are finally back in the building. Whew, I tell you. Well, as you see before you this time, I decided to use something that I just got in. So I'm super excited about that. Because normally, I want something and I order it. By the time it get to me, I've been moved on to something else or lost interest until the interest rise back up again. But I use everything out of the new release from Divinity. Except this. I couldn't believe I didn't use my little bee. But I used everything else. I showed that in I showed all this in a recent haul, so I'm not gonna go back over that again. But yay! So I was so excited. All right, so let me show you guys what all I made. Okay, so these cards right here was made without a die. The tutorial that I followed, I will link it. Hopefully I don't forget. But if you want to know, just make sure that just say something and I'll link it. So here is the first card right here. And I made a little boo-boo. Oh, I did. This is a EK Success Punch. The little bracket that I put on here. So I made a little boo-boo, so I just covered that up. So you can't tell, just buzzing by to say hello. And you see the little, I forget what you call these little colored pieces in the B. And then the inside, you are a very sweet friend. So that's how that went. That's the first one. Love the different gatefold, I guess you could call it, style card. Here's the other one right here where I put together that I want to say hexagon, the honeycomb. Which child is late? I forgot the name of that thing. What? Let me look at the packaging. Oh, I was right. Honeycomb right here. Pop them up and just put hello. I don't know if I put anything on this one. Okay, nope, this one was blank. Like so. Super cute. And my last one, Be Happy, where I used him, punched out another bracket and the flowers, and I just put the Be Happy on the outside, and there's no sentiment in that one either, which is good because oftentimes I make a card and I be want to use it, and I've been to put a different sentiment or something on it that I need than I needed it. All right, so here are my little 3x3s. When in doubt, 3x3 it out, honey. I'm telling you, it'll get you where you need. So, on this one, I just used my Nuvo and my Spec Noir glitter pen on the bottom. Then I put the Nuvo on the top to give it the shine of the glossy over the shine. And so I just did it in certain spots. And that's the inside. Use the scraps from the paper pad. Here is another one. Other B mine, I just staggered up the jars and glittered and shine those up while I popped him up. The Be Mine. B, I guess, is all the rage with the gnome, with the gnomies. They always in order in my book. And here is another Be Happy right here on top of the honeycomb. And I did the same thing to those to give it some pizzazz. And on the inside where I cut those cards, I just used it on the inside. So like I said, I'm so happy I used the stuff that I just bought, that I was actually in the mood. So I hope you guys like my 6 cards I made for today, my 3A2 and my 3x3. So I need to do an envelope for them though, for both of them actually, but I'll get to that one day hopefully. All right, you guys. So go check out Faye and see what she did for your inspiration. It's been a struggle indeed to make anything. The mojo is drying out, but I'm going on vacation, so hopefully when I come back, I'll be back full throttle. Yes, well, that's the plan at least. Who knows? All right, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll be back with another video. Bye bye.